Welcome to Handyman School. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share it with your family and friends. Let's begin. Today I'm going to review this Dolphin Triton PS robotic pool vacuum cleaner. It's ideal for in-ground pool for up to 50 feet. It has powerful suction to pick up small debris, leaves, anything you might have in the pool, and it has extra large, easy to clean top load filter basket. So I'm just going to put it in the swimming pool and tell you about this controller here. You have on and off switch, and you have 3 different settings for every day, every other day, or the third day of the week, which can be set for pool cleaning. So the package comes in with the Triton PS robotic pool cleaner. You have a power supply unit, then you get a fine filter basket, then you have a user manual, then you have a quick start guide, and 1 registration card. You have the pool cleaning capacity of up to 50 feet. This cleaning, it cleans pool floor, also the walls and the water line. This robot is about to climb up the wall. As you see, it's cleaning the wall, and it's going to climb up. Then you have, as I showed, the on and off switch, and you have the weekly scheduler. The cable length is about 60 feet. It's a tangle-free cable. The suction rate is about 4,000 gallons per hour. The robot weighs about 16.5 pounds. So basically, hands off your pool cleaning duties for now. Your pool will be left clean and ready for splashing fun in just 2 hours. So sit back, relax, while this Dolphin does all the hard work for you. It's built to deliver deep cleaning. The Triton PS is powerful, nimble, and vertical surface for intense wall and waterline scrubbing. With superior filtering capability, dirt and debris can't hide from this underwater cleaning machine, which is very powerful. Sustainable design and energy efficient. Unlike suction and pressure cleaners, Dolphins are independent cleaning machine that do not rely on your pool pump or filter to get the job. Extended the life of your pool system and save energy with every pool cleaning. So basically, say hello to your newfound free time. The squeaky sound that you hear in the background are the crickets. It's not the robot. When we get an up-close video of the robot, you will hear the sound of the robot. So the manufacturer recommends taking this robot out of the pool after each use to empty and rinse the filters and to rinse off any excess chemicals. It is ideal to keep your Dolphin out of the pool and store it away when not in use. If your Dolphin has a weekly schedule, you can keep it in the pool for a week, but you will need to make sure the filter is clean. So by gently pulling on the blue floating cable to bring your Dolphin to the edge of the pool. Once your Dolphin is in the reach, grab the handle to pull the robot out of the water. Place the robot on the edge of the pool to let the remaining water drain out. Do not pull Dolphin out of the water using just the cable. The handle is there. If you get close enough, you'll be able to see it. Please make sure this power supply is at least 12 feet away from the edge of the pool. It is not waterproof. It is water resistant. When in use, make sure it's far away from the pool so that it does not get pulled in when the robot moves in the water. When your robotic Dolphin cleaner is in use, only release enough of the cable for your Dolphin to properly cover your pool. Leave the access cable loosely rolled outside the pool. Once a week, unplug the cable from the power supply and unwind the tangle portion of the cable. Straighten it out and leave it on the sun for a few hours. This will help remove any tangle or kinks. This robot comes with 2 different kind of filter cartridge. One of them is to clean the water, clean more particles of the water. Another one is for general cleaning. This one is for general cleaning. I use it for every day, every other day cleaning. And the second one, which I haven't used yet, is if you want the water to be clean as well. I haven't used it yet. I will be using it in the near future. So as you see, the robot is working, and it does this for 2 hours. I've been using it for a year now, and so far so good. Well, what I wanted to show you, I want to show you how to open the basket for cleaning. Once the robot is done, you pull the robot into the shore and just pop open, take the basket out, and rinse it off. What I'm doing is getting rid of all the water, and then you take it to a spot and just take a garden hose and rinse all the leaves and the dirt that's found at the bottom of the pool with the regular garden hose. Please don't use pressure washer or anything else. It will damage the filtering system, the screens that you have here. So this particular screen that I use for general use, a daily basis, I haven't used the other one. It comes with 2 different types. The other one filters more debris in the water. So I'm just going to go ahead and wash it off so you see how long it takes. In the past, I have had the whole basket full. It depends on what's in the pool. Right after the storm, if you allow the stuff on the surface of the pool to go down to the pool floor, you would end up with so much debris, and I have emptied out the full basket. So just to show you how strong the robot is, it has the capacity for getting all the dirt and debris off the floor of the pool ground. So just do a quick rinsing. It takes about a minute or so, and then what I'm going to do is put that back like so, and nothing else to it. Snap right in, put the robot back into the pool. As with any pool, you have 4 different ways of cleaning. First, you clean the surface of the pool. Then you clean the content in the pool, like what's in the water with your chemistry. Then you use the filter to filter out whatever is floating in the middle of the water, mixed in with the water. This robot only going to clean what settles on the ground and the wall of the pool. You still need your filtering system to filter out the water. You still would need to skim off the surface of the pool, and you have to get your chemistry going. Only thing this is going to do is it's going to clean whatever settles on the bottom and on the wall. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with your family and friends. Thank you.